Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile. We will start with a simple photos and turn it into a clean kitchen design. Click the sticker, select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the sticker, click the color option, change the color, select the color. Thanks for watching and see in next tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel.